Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Oppo Reno11 F. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up by tapping on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Finally, after tapping on your device's screens, select Send at the bottom left corner of Samsung and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Oppo. Also on Samsung, using all of those categories from the top, you can pick multiple files to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. In this pop-up about new tips, hit Got it. And then you need to pick one of those connection ways. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section and type in all of those numbers in correct order. Then tap on Receive button. If you prefer to scan this QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!